last day in Iceland and we are going into Reykjavik because that's the one place we haven't explored yet. So we're going to catch the bus and just have a look around and explore the city for the last day. I'm cold. Is anyone else cold?
I'm right. See, if Paice hadn't taken so long to get ready, he could have thought of all of this before we left the house.
That don't make any sense, does it really? If Paice didn't take so long to get ready, he could have had more time to think about this.
Yeah.
Well, no, because there's a... You know what?
Are you gonna help me? Thank you.
You'll own a farm one day.
It's alright.
So I think we're going to grab bite to lunch now, and I've just been in the church. You can see in the background, beautiful in there, isn't it?
It is. I find it very peaceful.
It is very peaceful, very, very peaceful. But yeah, we're just having a stroll through the town now, and it's just so pretty.
And that's the shop where I got my hat from last time.
Iceland.
Do you think there's pesto on top?
The salad?
Yeah.
Try it. Find
No,
out.
I can't have pesto because it's pine nuts.
Good at
Oh, okay. Funny. Okay.
So,
Okay.
I might need someone else to test.
Do you want me to try it? Ed doesn't eat salad. Ryan.
I'd eat anything, but yeah, I don't want to tell you wrong, so your life is in our hands.
It's one of the moments where you get like a really sick building that's like super amazing. I'm going to take some shots of that building over there because it just looks so pretty. Reykjavik. Definitely get the chance to come downtown, spend a day or a couple of days swanning around and shooting and just having a look at some of the real good spots, man. Get some of that Icelandic chill now.
Iceland wind.
Woo! What a good day to shave, am I right?
And what a good day to have a bald head. Yeah, because my eyes were I'd like to clump down with
It was your decision.
This one's for you. Oh. Well, it's not gonna burn going down.
And Charlotte's already had a shot.
So what's this?
This is
chocolate caramel whiskey.
Can we all stand up in a circle? I fucking hate
It's nice. I just had
Oh, you're gonna love this.
it was
No,
this
no, you're gonna do this.
Ed, I don't like whiskey either.
Right.
Come on, sunshine. Oh, come on then.
Or is that like Top Gun where you get thrown out? Alright. Oh god. That was alright actually.
Woo! Hey!
I can feel my heart burning. I'm not sure if I like it. We'll see what's your least expensive. We'll start there. Okay, let's keep building up.
Will you put your dog in?
No. Well, we know she's a corgi.
This is the hog.
Foolish. We missed the first bus and then now we've had to have another pint. I mean, there's worse things in life, but Dillon's Bar, you've got my seal of approval, man. That was so much fun.
Very great. It was fantastic.
It was brilliant. What a great vibe it was in there, man.
The vibe was fantastic. Staff were fantastic.
Everybody.
Price was also
The price was reasonable. Right, which way are we going with this? Which way? That way. Yeah. So we missed the previous bus. Because somebody decided to order donuts before asking when the next bus was.
We are.
And we will.
Sorry, you're interrupting Pace's vlog.
Wait. Oh, we could have gone in here as well for a drink.
We're not going in here now.
But when's the bus after this?
This is the bus stop.
Oh, but it's right outside. It's right outside. Oh, you know what? This seems like destiny. We'll save this Bio Paradis for the next time we come to Iceland. How about that?
Yes.
That sounds like a good plan.
That's the first
Okay.
place we'll come to next time.
Am I invited the next time we come to
No.
Iceland?
No, you're probably going to
It's
still
up
be in
for a
Krispy
vote.
Kreme, getting some donuts.
It's up for a vote.
That was elite. We're wet through though. Camera is wet through. But that's why the S5's got really good weather sealing, do you know what I mean?
No sponsorship yet, but
No.
soon.
Oh,
Have you got one of
goodness
these?
me. What is it?
Waterproof case.
No, I just
Fair enough.
just threw that at.